Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fill tube assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Have an assistant help you to pull the appliance away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw securing the water supply line retainer to the rear panel. Use a 1/2-inch wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now unthread the remaining screws, securing the access panel. Set the panel aside. Use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the fill tube water supply line from the inlet valve. Remove any tape securing the supply line to the rear panel. Now rotate the old fill tube counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. Install the new fill tube assembly by inserting the fill tube into the housing and rotating until the tube is fully seated. Fully insert the water supply line into the port on the inlet valve. Use tape to secure the line to the rear panel. Reinstall the access panel. Attach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Slide on the retainer and secure it to the rear panel with the access panel mounting screw. Push the refrigerator back against the wall. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.